how you can download a video from the Viggle AI app on your phone. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, open the Viggle AI app on your phone. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you'll see all the videos that you've created and generated using the app. Just open the video you want to download. Once it's open, tap on the Share button on the side of the screen. From the bottom window that pops up, tap on Download. The video will now be downloaded successfully to your phone's storage. Make sure to allow the necessary permissions for the app to save the video properly. Now, if you want to find out where the video is saved, follow these steps. Open your File Explorer app. I'm using Zarchiver in this example. Next, tap on the Android folder, then go into the Data folder. Scroll down until you find the folder for the Viggle AI app. Open it, and then go into the Files folder. Here you'll find your downloaded video. And that's it. That's how you can download a video from the Viggle AI app on your phone.